Here we have the TYMO Basic Blow Dryer. It's in a pretty matte black finish. Comes with 3 attachments. They are not magnetic. You're just gonna have to line them up and then click it to the right to lock it into place. And there you go. So you have the comb condenser, and then the diffuser. And the diffuser also has a little bit of combs in there. So this has, you got a low and a high, and then on the temperature, you have the cool setting as well as the cool shot here, and then the medium and then the high. So I'll just show you, the noise level is excellent. This is the low setting. Turn it on low. And that's going to be at a warm, low, high setting. Not super hot. And this is going to be the high power. Again, it still has a good noise level. It's not piercing to the ears. There's no, I think it's excellent. Power is decent, but not going to be super powerful, but it has, to me, it has enough power, but I do have finer hair. The weight is pretty lightweight. However, it doesn't feel like like cheap. It feels, you know, substantial, and it has a nice heavy cord, which I like, and the no tangle. So for a basic dryer, I think this is great. I like the brand. It's always been reliable, and I've been happy with this brand and their products, and this doesn't disappoint.